Shalom and welcome to this tutorial video. In this video, I'll be showing you one of the most realistic AI image generators. Yeah, I mean the most realistic. Now, as someone who loves to use AI, I love using AI a lot, and I experiment a lot with different AIs. This particular AI can actually make you believe that the image is not AI, but it's actually real. And that is the AI that I'm going to introduce. I'm going to be showing you in this tutorial video. It was so realistic. I myself, I was very shocked. I was like, nah, I can't keep this to myself. Let me make a video on it. So this AI is a project of Google. Okay, you can get a link to it in the description of this video. Is the name of the AI is in the name of the platform is Flow. Okay, it's a it also belongs to Google. Yeah, it also belongs to Google and it uses Google's Nano Banana models. All right. Okay. So you just have to sign up and you would actually need to be on a premium plan. Okay, you have to be on one of their membership plans to be able to make use of this. All right. Okay. So once you are here, you subscribe to everything. If it is your first time on the Google using any of Google's AI models, you might be able to get a freemium plan. Okay. So what we are going to do now is we are just going to tap on new project. Okay. Once you are here, you've done everything, you just go to new project. So when you get to the new project, what we do now is that you you can first decide whether you want a video or an image. The videos are incredibly realistic, and how you can use this one to generate videos to get the best results, I will be looking at that one in a different tutorial video. But then in this tutorial video, we are looking at the images. So over here, you select the resolution that would be best for you, and then the model that is it should use. All right. So for the generating of images, it takes 0 credits. All right, it takes 0 credits. Okay. So first, the most important thing when dealing with AI is the prompts that you are giving it. And especially for generative AI, one thing you should know is that you have to go as detailed as possible. All right. So for the first one, I'm going to be using a very simple prompt, and then for the next image that I'll generate, I'll use a very detailed prompt and we can analyze the difference between the both. Okay, so for this one, I'm just going to say generate an image of a lady and a guy on a date at a restaurant, at a fancy restaurant. Okay, so we'll just have to now sit back and wait for AI to finish doing its magic. Okay, beautiful. So now look at this. Just look at this. Let me just zoom in. Okay, I think the best thing to do is to rather let me first download the image. Okay, and then open it. So for the downloading, you can download the original size or you can download the upscaled size. And I'm going to download the upscaled size. So now, as you can see, this image looks incredibly realistic. I mean, this image looks incredibly realistic. The reason why you are thinking it's easy to identify as AI is because you saw me using AI. But then on a normal day, an image like this doesn't scream AI at you. It is so realistic. Yes. Yes. So that was even for a very simple prompt. Okay. So now let me now input a much detailed prompt, and now we can now see the difference between it. Yeah, between the very much simple prompt and then the detailed prompt. So yes, The AI generated two images that you can make use of. Okay, the AI generated two images that you can make use of. So, but I think the first one, the initial one, is much nicer than this one. It always generates two images, and then you can choose which one is best for you. Yeah. And the reason why it generated two images is because we place it on times two. So you can place it on times three and it will generate times three at once. You can place it on times four and it will generate four images for you at once. So let's also download this one and then you can also check that one out. Okay, not this one. Okay, the one that we just generated, just finished downloading. So beautiful. As you can see, this this looks like a professional photo shoot. I'm not going to lie to you. Yeah, this looks like a professional photo shoot. The detail, it the AI pays so much attention to the details, and that is the best part about it. Yes, you would actually have to really squint your eyes to see through to be able to detect that this is AI. And for instance, the fact that the guy's hand is on the fork like this. Well, any professional, if it's actually a professional photo shoot, definitely that wouldn't be the case. But then hey, nobody really has your time like that. Yes, so that's basically it. And the best thing about this one too is that it doesn't have the Gemini watermark on it. Okay, yes, it doesn't have a watermark on it. So that's basically it. So yes, like I said, this is actually realistic. I do not know for you, but then to me, this is actually realistic, and I have not seen any AI produce better than this. So yes, you can go ahead and go into the description of this video, get a link to this AI, and then you can now start using it for your own personal benefits. Do also subscribe to my channel to learn more about the possibilities of the internet and what you are capable of doing online. Okay, yes, more amazing content like this are on my channel, and more would be coming up in the upcoming as time goes on. So do what to subscribe to my channel. Like this video if you found it helpful and beneficial when you actually like it here. And then I would be looking forward to seeing you in my next video as my subscriber. Shalom and bye bye.